for a quick talk about how we monitored some of our serverless apps running Google Cloud Run using Prometheus and OpenTelemetry. So what was the problem we had? We had some apps that were running in Cloud Run, and these apps, they actually used statsd for metrics instrumentation. So getting out like statsd traffic from Cloud Run into the Kubernetes clusters is like a no-go, because first you can have a lot of volume and you will pay out of region egress and also ingress on the other side. Then you have all these problems like with authentication, how you deal with the authentication from one side to the other. Also, statsd usually sent over UDP, so you also have that problem. And then like Google came up with this sidecar model for Cloud Run, where you can simply like run something alongside your application. So we thought, well, OTel is there. We have standards, and also it has this statsd receiver, which we could leverage. So that's what we did. And we came up with our own distribution. These days is like really easy to assemble your own distribution, pick up only the components you really want inside your collector. And we decided to receive either OTLP or statsd, and then pass this through like memory limiter, cumulative to delta. This will come later on. Like we didn't want to receive cumulative metrics because we needed to filter them out later on and batch them and then send to via OTLP. So that's the kind of the overall architecture that we ended up with. We have this custom application that we wrote to control cardinality, and which we already have filtering enabled via an UI. So we wanted to pass all the OTLP metrics also through that, and we decided to send the OTLP metrics to this component, and then go again to the statsd agent, statsd exporter, and finally get some Prometheus metrics. But the same thing to do would be actually to, now that Prometheus has support, especially in 3.0 version, you could simply set up this sidecar to send OTLP directly to Prometheus and have your metrics enabled, available in Prometheus. Yeah, that was what I had. Thank you.